Ayan guys, magandang gabi. Ito kami, family bonding muna. Tent muna kami. Ayan yung ating pagsasaluhan ngayong gabi. Meron tayong liempo. Tapos marshmallow, lettuce. Ayan guys, tapos meron tayong crackers. And barbecue tayo ng hotdog. Today is Saturday night, so bonding with my family. Ayan, diyaw tayo ng barbecue. Barbecue tayo. Ayan guys, so hindi pa ba sunog to Brad? Yun yung wife ko, yun sa tent. Ayan, ito yung brother ko. Ayan, camping muna kami, outdoor setup. Ayan guys, prepare muna tayo nating lutuin. Balik lang ako mamaya guys. Bye for now.